Hello, students! How are you? I hope you are wonderful. Guys, today in our class, there is a new friend in here. Yes, Clifford! Hello, everybody! Hello! Hello, Clifford! How are you? I'm fine. How are you? Clifford, why are you here? I have a story for them today. A story? Where? Ah, the book! Guys, I forgot. Clifford brought a book. Clifford Animal Sounds. Is that it, Clifford? Yes, it is. It's Clifford's Animal Sounds. Okay, can I read to them? Yes, for sure. Uhul! Então a gente vai ler. Você fica com a gente aqui, okay? Stay with us. Okay, guys. So, Clifford is on the farm today. He listens to what the animals say. Really, Clifford? Let's continue. The cow says moo. The owl says woo. The bird says tweet. Is that it? The mouse says squeak. Quack, quack, says the duck. And the hen says click, 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 click. The chicks say chip, 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 chip. And bah, says the sheep. The cat says meow. And it's Clifford's turn now. What does Clifford say, guys? What animal is he? He's a dog, so he says bow woo, bow woo, bow woo, or woof, woof. Wow, it's super nice, guys. Clifford, I loved the story. Thank you, everybody. Thank you a lot. Wow, it's super nice. Let's see if they paid attention. Okay, so I want to know the animals that are in the farm, guys. What animals did you see? Look. What animal is this? Good, everybody. It's a cow. And what does the cow say? What does she say? Amazing, everybody. Moo. Nice job. What about what animal is this? Amazing, everybody. It's the owl. Good job. And what does the owl say? Amazing. Woo. And what animal is this? Perfect. It's a bird. And what does the bird say? Tweet, tweet, tweet. Nice. And what animal is this? It's a mouse. Wonderful. And what does the mouse say? Squeak. Squeak. Good. What animal is this? It's a duck. Everybody, it's a duck. Good. And what does the duck say? Amazing. The duck say quack, quack, quack. And what animal is this? Good job, everybody. It's a hen. And what does the hen say? Cluck, 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 cluck. Good. And what about the chicks? Everybody, they are chicks. What do they say? Chip, 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 chip. Outstanding. And what animal is this? Perfect, everybody. It's a sheep. And what does it say? Good. Ba, ba. Correct, right, Clifford? Okay. And what animal is this, guys? Outstanding. It's a cat. And what does the cat say? Meow, meow. Wonderful. And remember, it's Clifford's turn. What does he say? Bow wow, bow wow. Or woof, woof. Yay, nice job, guys. Very good. Okay, now I want you to play mimics, okay? You will play mimics, but with the sound. So it's a sound mimic, ok? Então vocês vão fazer o barulho e alguém da família vai ter que adivinhar qual animal é. For example, ó, eu vou fazer um pro Clifford adivinhar, ok, Clifford? Aham. Então tá. Quack, quack, quack. I know, it's a duck. It's correct. It's a duck. Very good. So you will play now with your family, okay? Miss you. Bye. I love you guys. Yeah.